Residents in Clarendon are rallying together to help return the parish to some semblance of normalcy in the immediate hours after the passage of Hurricane Melissa. We have the details from Dwayne Anderson.
On Monday and Tuesday, Melissa showed Jamaica its destructive powers. But Wednesday was Jamaicans' turn to show their power, the power of unity and resilience. From Maypen to as far as Crooked River District, residents toiled to clear roads and clean their neighbors' yards. Some used machetes and shovels, others used power tools and tractors.
Man, I work for a morning, brother. I work for the government. You know, so I clear road for the government. Aye, so you know what time it is. I work for him for a morning.
Why you decide to come out and do this?
Not to clean up the road, man, that's everybody can move. Suppose somebody take sick or whatever to move. We have to try to save life, you know, don't it?
So now help yourself?
Yeah, but we help ourselves, man. I want the government to help with too.
In total, this volunteer group cleared 6 roads by mid-afternoon on Wednesday.
Word with you today is volunteerism. You know, if more persons can come out and volunteer to help, because we know the catastrophic event that this hurricane brought on us. So we really and truly have to come together as a community to help ourselves.
It's possible if everybody come together, hands and heart. We could have moved to the hand, but it did too much for us. The chapter is here now, I'm glad for that.
In many areas, trees hug roads, converting the thoroughfares to single-lane traffic. Fallen rocks also punctuated stretches. In places like Ballards River and New Roads, we observed several houses without roofs. Residents, they do not know how to restart.
It's wicked, because right now half of my house they are growing up there, your house stop. Right now. And see other people around the place, see my virgin house over there, so see, as you can look, you can see top. No top, the top gone. Behind you up there, so same way. Everywhere you look, man.
Disaster, destruction.
Disaster, man. Destruction, brother. Mash up, brother. Mash up. Me give God thanks still, because me can't live in a full house up there. Me have 300 people in a cub up there. And then did the same way. I survive, you understand?
Farmers' cries are also similar.
Every sector has been touched by the passage of Hurricane Melissa here in Clarendon. This was once a thriving banana field. Now there are more banana trees on the ground than there are standing. And to make it more frustrating for the farmer, he had just recovered from the passage of Hurricane Beryl a few months ago.
Big damage.
So which part you go start, you know? How you go start back over?
Well, just start all over again. Just that there's nothing I can do about it more than just start over.
We saw multiple JPS crews doing assessments throughout the parish. Their workload will also be heavy. Dozens of utility poles bow towards the streets or into people's homes. And inside those homes, thousands of residents are now without power, cut off from the outside world, waiting even as their loved ones wonder if they are well. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.